Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Through Talks podcast. I'm Daniel.
And I'm Sarah. Hello, everybody. We hope you are having a wonderful day.
Today, we are going to talk about something very simple, but very useful for English learners.
Yes, today's topic is talking about your day in English.
This is a great topic because people often ask questions like, "How was your day?" or "What did you do today?"
Exactly. And sometimes beginners don't know how to answer these questions naturally.
So today, we will practice together with simple and easy English.
Okay, Daniel, let me ask you first. How was your day today?
Honestly, my day was pretty busy, but also good.
Busy days can be tiring. What did you do today?
Well, I woke up around 7 o'clock this morning. I was still sleepy, so getting out of bed was difficult.
Haha, I understand that feeling very well.
Then I brushed my teeth, washed my face, and made coffee.
Coffee is important in the morning.
Very important. Without coffee, I cannot fully wake up.
Same here. Did you have breakfast too?
Yes, I had toast and eggs for breakfast. What about you? How was your morning?
My morning was calm and relaxing. I woke up early and listened to music while getting ready.
That sounds peaceful.
Yes, it really helped me start the day in a good mood.
So, what did you do after breakfast?
I got dressed and went to university. I had 2 classes today.
Were the classes interesting?
One class was interesting, but the other one was very boring.
Haha, which class was boring?
Math. I tried to focus, but I was very sleepy.
Math can be difficult sometimes.
Exactly. What about your workday?
I went to the office and answered many emails. Then I had 2 meetings with clients.
That sounds stressful.
A little bit, yes. One meeting lasted almost 2 hours.
2 hours? Wow.
Yes, by the end of the meeting, everyone looked tired.
I can imagine that. What did you do for lunch today?
I went to a small cafe near my office with my coworker.
Nice. What did you eat?
I had a chicken sandwich and a cold coffee.
That sounds delicious.
It was actually very good. What about you?
I ate lunch at the university cafeteria with my friends.
What did you have?
Pasta and juice. But honestly, the pasta was not very good today.
Haha, cafeteria food is always risky.
Very true. Sometimes it's amazing and sometimes it's terrible.
So, what happened after lunch?
After lunch, I studied in the library for a few hours. I had an assignment to finish.
Were you able to finish it?
Yes, finally. It took a long time, though.
At least it's done now.
Exactly. I felt so relieved afterward.
I understand that feeling. After work, I also felt relieved because I was very tired.
What did you do after work?
I went home, changed my clothes, and relaxed on the sofa for a while.
That sounds nice. Did you watch TV?
Yes, I watched some YouTube videos and listened to music.
Relaxing after work is very important.
Definitely. What about you? What did you do after university?
I met my friend at a coffee shop for about an hour.
Oh, nice. Did you have coffee again?
Of course, I drink too much coffee.
Haha, same here.
Did you cook dinner tonight?
Yes, but something funny happened.
What happened?
I tried to cook rice, but I added too much water.
Oh no.
So the rice became very soft and strange.
Haha, cooking mistakes happen to everyone.
I hope so. What did you eat for dinner?
My mother cooked chicken and vegetables. It was really delicious.
Lucky you.
Yes, homemade food is always the best.
So now it's nighttime. What do you usually do before bed?
Usually, I watch something on my phone or read a book for a few minutes.
That sounds relaxing.
Then I brush my teeth and go to bed around 11:30.
That's not too late. I usually sleep around midnight.
You should sleep earlier.
I know, but sometimes I stay awake watching videos online.
Haha, that happens to me too sometimes.
Well, Sarah, today we talked about our whole day in simple English.
Yes, and this is a great way for beginners to practice speaking naturally.
Exactly. You can practice by talking about your own day every evening.
Even simple sentences can help improve your English.
For example, I woke up early. I went to work. I had lunch with friends.
Simple, natural, and useful.
Thank you, everyone, for listening to English Through Talks podcast.
We hope you enjoyed today's conversation practice.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this podcast with your friends.
And tell us in the comments, how was your day today?
See you next time, everyone.
Bye!